Hello, this is HK10 from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this, I'm going to show you how you can eliminate watch face from your HK10 Ultra 3 version 2 or any other version. Process more or less would be similar. So you can do that directly from your watch. So for example, this watch face you don't want. You see here when you tap long hold, it's uninstall. Click uninstall here, directly it's gone. Let's come to another. I tap. Some of the built-in watch face, you see this you can't delete. Okay, only the watch faces you have downloaded you can delete or uninstall. I hit this one, uninstall here, is gone. So this is the way you can delete the dialer that you have installed, not the original one. Original one you can't uninstall or delete in this case. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.